How to fix unable to remove payment method due to active subscription on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open up your settings application. Once you are here, simply tap on your Apple ID. Now from here, simply tap on payment and shipping. Now to fix the issue, either you can go ahead and add another payment method because one needs to be on the file, so adding another would solve the problem. Or alternatively, you can go ahead and cancel the subscription. In order to do that, head back to your Apple ID and then tap on subscriptions. Once you tap onto it, if you have any subscription, at the top here you'll see active subscription. Click on them and then what you can do is click on cancel subscription and then simply confirm your decision. It will then end on that date. Now once you have done that, repeat the same process. Tap on payment and shipping. Now once you are here, if you have your payment method and if you want to remove it, simply tap on remove. And once you do that, it will be successfully removed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.